Welcome to lesson 3.5, comparing and ordering 7-digit numbers. Look at this digit card. Imagine you use each digit once to form a number. Is this number possible, and how do you know? We have the 7, we have the 0, we have the 1, 3. There is no 3. There is no 3. So this number is impossible. What numbers could you form to match this description? The greatest number that ends in 0, and the least number that ends in 0. Also, numbers between 1 million and 1,100,000. Numbers between 4,500,000 and 4,700,000. The number that is as close to 5 million as possible, or the least and greatest numbers. So what strategy do you use to figure out the numbers? And did your strategy work with every description? Now let's go on to the workout. Look at these digit cards. Use each digit once to make these the greatest and the least number. So the greatest number must surely start with 9. So we have 9. Since it's 7 digits, so it will be 9 million. Then we have 8 as the next great number. 8, 6, 5. Then 4, 3, 1. And the least number must start with the least number here. So the least number will be 1,000,003. We have 400. Then we have 689. So this is the greatest number that you can form with this digit card, and this is the least number. Now, let's form the greatest even number. Now we know this is odd number. We have to form digit even number, the greatest even number. That means the nearest even number will be 4. So we have to use 4. So it's going to be 9,865,314. The least even number. The least even number. This is, it's ending with 9, so it's an odd number. We have 8, which can be used as the ones to make it even number. So we're going to swap this two numbers. So it's going to be 1,345,698. There you have it, least even number. Now, any 3 numbers that are between this and this. So we can write any 3 number that can be between 4,500,000 and 5 million. So what are the 3 numbers? We can have 4, So these are the three numbers that we can form using this digit number that are between 4,500,000 and 5 million. There you have it, folks. Let's go to number 2. Roll a number cube 7 times. Write the numbers you roll on this card. So let's assume we roll 6, we roll 2, we roll 1 next, we roll 3, we roll 2, 4, and 5. Now use each digit once to make greatest number and the least number. So out of these, we have the greatest, which is 6. So we start with 6. Since it's 7 digits, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 6 million. Then we have 5, 4, then 3. Then we have double 2, so it will be 2, 2, 1. And the least, we start from 1,223,000, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have numbers like this, the greatest and the least. Now, from this number, make the greatest odd number. The greatest odd number, since 1 is odd, so it will remain the same. 6,543,221. It will remain the same. Now, the greatest even number. So we're still dealing with the greatest number. So make it even number. We have to switch 2 and 1 to make it even. So we have 6,543,212. Then it's now even number. A number that is as close to this as possible. This number can vary from this. So the number that is closest will be 3,122,456. And a number that is close to 1 million as possible will be 1,223,000. There you have it. Now, the three least numbers. Now let's arrange the three least numbers. So we will have 1 million, and the three greatest number. We just switch the last 3 digits. Just like we did here, we just switch the last 3 digits. 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 5, 5, 4, 6. We did the same thing with the greatest number. So these are the three greatest numbers that we can derive from these numbers. Now, number 3, these are the top 7 scores from a popular online game. Write the scores for the players who came 4th, 5th, and 6th. So we compare the greatest digits, which is in million. So we have the least. We have how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the last 3 million, we have 3 millions, which will be in the first position. Then the rest are in 2 million. So we consider the 100,000. 4, we have 6. We have 6. This 6 will be first and second. Second and third. Now the fourth will be Kate. The fourth will be Kate, which is 2,599,305. So who is next to her will be 4,400,000. But we have 400, so we'll consider the 10,000. So 9,000 and 90,000 and 80,000. 90,000 comes first, which is Dome. 2,490,000. And the sixth will be Kim. There you have it, folks. Now on to the fast finishers. The number 1 to 3 can be written backward as 3, 2, 1. The difference between the two numbers is 198. Write a 7-digit number forward and backward. So the difference is 1,000 less than 10,000. Show your thinking on page 160. You can show your thinking by going to 160 right here. This is a page 160 right here. You can show your thinking here, working space. So we're given that the difference is 10,000. So, and it's a 7 digits. So we can just use 1,010,000. And the 10,001, let's use 1. So the difference is 10,000. So our answer will be, the difference here will be 9,900. Now let's go on to the practice. .5. Look at these digits cards. Use each digit once to make greatest number and the least number. So the greatest number, we use the greatest digits, 9. followed by 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. And the list number will start from the list number digits. There you have it, folks. Now, the greatest even number, this is odd number since it's the ones is in 1. Now we switch the 2 with 1 to make it even number. The least even number. 9 makes it odd number, so we switch 8 with 9 to make it even number. So we have 1,235,798, which makes it even number. Now write any three numbers that are between 3 million and 350 million from this, which will give us we're working with 3 million. Write the first 7 digits of any imaginary phone number on this card. Now use each digit once to make this. So the greatest number is 9, followed by 8 and 7, followed by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the least number will be 2 million. So the greatest odd number, swap this to make it odd number. And the least even number, swap this to make it even number. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to part D. A number that is as close to 5,500,000 as possible. From this number, 5 million. So we have 5 million. There you have it, folks. Now, a number that is as close as 2 million, that is as close to 2 million. So we have 2. We will use the small numbers, the smaller numbers. So it will not be too much over 2 million. Now, the three list numbers. Which is here. This one. There you have it, folks. Now, the three greatest number, we'll use this number. And we'll use this one. And we'll make one by ourselves by switching this last digit, which will be 342. There you have it, folks. Check your work and do the necessary correction.